COVID-19 pandemic is taking not just a physical toll on people, but also affecting mental health. We would like you to know that the mental health team continues to provide mental health and psychosocial support to the Federation. We have embarked on a campaign to disseminate information about how to take care of our mental health during these times. We are disseminating short articles that speak to the different presentations or responses that people could have because of this pandemic. Some of the articles shared so far include Supporting Vulnerable Populations During COVID-19 by Dr. Cherise Godwin, Parenting During COVID-19 by Miss Tricia Daniel, Managing Anxiety by Dr. Desir Piera, Reducing Stigma by Mr. Davin Francis, and Managing Stress by Miss Michelle de la Coudre Blake. We are asking members of the public to read these short articles, enhance their awareness of the varying responses to this pandemic, and gain insight about coping. This is positive, accurate, and share-worthy information. All of these articles and more can be found on the St. Kitts Mental Health Association Facebook page. Please visit this page daily for tips about how to boost your mental health and how to cope with stress and anxiety associated with the COVID-19 experience. Other initiatives so far include we have prepared some public service announcements about mental health and coping, and they are in rotation currently on ZIZ. In collaboration with PAHO, we have conducted a virtual psychosocial support seminar for hotline workers, teachers, faith-based leaders, and community leaders. We have made virtual presentations to the Rotary Club and at the Antioch Baptist Church. During my last briefing, I stated that the mental health team was ready and willing to offer mental health and psychosocial support. And since then, people have been reaching out to us. To date, we have had 121 contacts for social support. We have just completed some social media cards for coping strategies with the assistance of PAHO, and we will start to disseminate these from tomorrow. We would like to remind persons that it is normal to feel sad, stressed, confused, scared, or angry during this pandemic. Talking to people you trust can help. Please know that the mental health team continues to provide mental health and psychosocial support. The numbers to call are, for St. Kitts, we have the St. Kitts Red Cross, and you could call from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. to 661-2852. From 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., 661-2603. From 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., 664-2014. For the Counseling Center, you can call 662-8086. For the JNF Hospital Psychological Services, you can call 662-8551. For Nevis, we have the Nevis Red Cross from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can call 663-7879. From 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., you can call 664-4119. From 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., you can call 665-4583. The Nevis Mental Health Unit would like to inform their clients that even though their mental health clinic day has been coinciding with the Wednesdays, 24 hours lockdown days, they continue to provide care. Persons are asked to call 660 to make arrangements so that they can receive care. If you miss any of these numbers mentioned, please check the St. Kitts Mental Health Association Facebook page. We will continue to keep that flyer in rotation. I conclude with a few tips for coping with stress. If you must stay at home, maintain a healthy lifestyle, including proper diet, sleep, exercise, and social contacts with loved ones at home, and by email and phone with other family and friends. Don't use alcohol or drugs to deal with your emotions. If you feel overwhelmed, call the numbers for psychosocial support. Get the facts that would help you to accurately determine your risk so that you can take reasonable precautions from credible sources such as the NEAP. Limit your worry and agitation by lessening the time you and your family spend watching or listening to media coverage that you might perceive as upsetting. And draw on skills you have used in the past that have helped you to manage previous life's adversities, and use those skills to help you manage your emotions during this challenging time. And remember, if you need help, the mental health team continues to provide support. At this time, I would like to publicly thank the members of the Mental Health and Psychosocial Support Committee for their support in crafting the mental health response to COVID-19. These persons are Ms. Michelle Delacoutre-Blake, Vice Chairperson and also Director of the Counseling Services within the Ministry of Social Services, Ms. Zara Jacobs, Secretary and also the Vice President of the St. Kitts Mental Health Association, Ms. Ulrika Lennon-Petty, PRO representing NEMA, Dr. Tanya Sanchez-Fajardo, psychiatrist, representing community and institution-based psychiatric services, Ms. Sharon Warner, representing the Department of Gender Affairs, Ms. Curtis Clark, representing the Red Cross, and Ms. Joya Walters and Ms. Delicia Julius, representing the Nevis Mental Health Unit. I am grateful for your expertise, passion, team spirit, and commitment to the people of St. Kitts and Nevis during this pandemic. I say thank you very much to my team, and we will continue to be here during and after this pandemic.